Hello, this is Eric from Shenzhen GE Industrial Company. Now, let me show you how to use our gas bigger popcorn machine. Okay, this machine uses the gas and the electricity for the motor mixing the popcorn. We already connect the gas like this. Okay, this uses the electric. We already connect the electric. This connect the battery. The machine also can use the battery when you make the popcorn outside. This switch is the power switch. This switch is the adjust the motor speed switch. This is the open fire switch. This adjusts the fire switch. Okay. Now let me show you how to use our popcorn machine to make the popcorn. Okay. First, we light the fire. Open the fire like this. Adjust the fire. Turn off here. Okay. First, put the oil inside. Okay. Put the oil inside and put little coil to test the temperature. Waiting the temperature up. Open the power or adjust the speed like this. When the temperature up, later we put the sugar and the coil together. Okay, the temperature is already. Now, we put the sugar and coil together. And we cut the cover. Wait a minute. The cover. Like this. Okay, turn off the fire. Okay, like this. Okay, it's